Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the labels and borders in the map style section on the Google Earth application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Now click on the map style option, and here the first section is labels and borders. So now you can select from three options. The clean option, meaning that there are no borders, labels, braces, nor roads. There is the exploration function or option, where you can see the borders, labels, places, and roads. And then there is the last one, everything, all borders, labels, places, roads, transit, landmarks, and voters. So click on the relevant one, and now as you can see, this function has been updated. So now you will be able to see all the above mentioned aspects. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.